Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to open a Maserati Ghibli trunk when the battery is dead. First, find the emergency key hidden within your key fob. Use this physical key to manually unlock the driver's side door, gaining access to the vehicle's interior. Once inside, locate the trunk release button, which is usually found on the dashboard or near the driver's seat. Press this button to attempt to open the trunk. If the interior button doesn't work, you'll need to provide temporary power. Open the hood and locate the positive jump start terminal, often covered by a red cap. Connect the positive jumper cable from a working battery or jump pack to this terminal. Then, attach the negative jumper cable to a suitable ground point on the car's chassis, like a metal bolt. This provides enough power to activate the electronic trunk release. Should the previous methods fail, you might need to use the manual release. Access the trunk by folding down the rear seats. Once you're able to reach into the trunk area, look for a small, often glow-in-the-dark, emergency release lever. This lever is typically located on the inside of the trunk lid. Pull this lever firmly towards you and the trunk lid should unlatch, allowing you to open it completely. With the trunk now open, you can access the main battery, which is typically located beneath the trunk floor or behind a panel. You can now jump-start the car properly or replace the dead battery entirely. Remember to connect the positive terminal first when installing a new battery. Also, for those looking to improve their financial well-being, check the description for a link to a book that can truly change how you think about money, along with other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.